Hi, Philip from TW White & Sons. We're delighted to acquire this beautiful Suzuki Vitara 1.4 Boosterjet S ALLGRIP manual, 6-speed, registered 17th of March 2017. It's 2 owners, 57,700 miles, MOT through till next year. It's got a full service history, just recently been serviced, and we've checked it over in the workshop, giving it a 101 point used car check, where we check everything: tyre tread depths, electrical systems, wiper condition, how the vehicle drives, transmission, everything, brake pad wear, brake disc wear, etc. 2017 on a 17 plate, finished in Galactic Grey Metallic. Really good spec with these. Comes with front and rear parking sensors, alloy wheels, black alloy multi-spoke wheels, finished in the Galactic Grey. This car's fitted with Suzuki wind deflectors on the front, privacy glass. Really good spec this. Wheels in great condition. Rear parking sensors, comes with a Suzuki tow bar. ALLGRIP means permanent four-wheel drive. Keyless entry, really good size load area, 60/40 split rear seat system. This car will come with 12 months Suzuki approved warranty, encapsulating 12 months roadside assistance. At TW White & Sons, will take any vehicle in part exchange. Will be as competitive as any of the online companies advertising on national television, those that wish to buy your car. And we'd be delighted to sell you another new or used vehicle. We'll offer you the most competitive terms, whilst encapsulating some of the best customer service in the industry. We haven't even valeted this car, it's just been washed, that's all. So you're seeing it in its raw state, but we thought we'd get it online as quickly as possible. Half leather, half Alcantara suede interior. That suede carries over to the door cards, where you've got electric windows on all 4 doors, one touch facility on the driver's door, electric power folding door mirrors. And sitting inside here, you've got a bank of switches, engine stop start button, a smart city brake support, hill descent control, traction control, fog lamps, etc. So to start this, I brought the key in with me, so it's keyless start. You've got to have the key in here, however, so you just press the engine stop start button over here, foot on the brake, on the clutch rather, and there we are, 57,782 miles. Left hand side here, just take you through a few controls. These are beautifully laid out, these controls. Left hand side is tachometer, rev counter. Underneath that is your temperature gauge. The center gives us a display which I'll come to in a minute. 57,782 miles. Outside temperature 18 degrees Celsius. Speedo right hand side, fuel gauge underneath it. All very simple. Turn on the auto lights here, give us a better view of the multi-function steering wheel. Stereo controls with mode button on the left hand side. Underneath here, integrated Bluetooth with voice control. On the right hand side here, you've got intelligent cruise control, like an adaptive radar cruise control. Senses vehicles in front of you if you've got the cruise set, and it will slow the vehicle down as appropriate. So it's not just an ordinary cruise control, it's an adaptive radar cruise control. Really good spec with this car. Auto wipers there with variable speed on the intermittent. On the outer collar of that stalk, you've got rear wipes, so all the wipers are encapsulated on one stalk. Lights and indicators here, you will see that's auto lights as well. This central display, if I can just, there's a button here, if I just show you, you can alter this. Gives us various statistics. Instant fuel economy readout as you're driving along. Average fuel economy 41 mpg, perfectly respectable out of a permanent four-wheel drive vehicle. What I would say is you will get more or less than that. Depends on how the vehicle's been driven, over what distance and what climatic conditions, etc. But that's very respectable. Range 18 miles till we run out of fuel, average speed 22 miles an hour. If I keep my finger on this button, it takes us into the vehicle main menu, where you can adjust how you read your units in distance, how you read your fuel economy, what language, fuel reset, temperature, how that's read, sensors, clock setting, door locks, lights, anti-theft, oil change, TPMS, tire pressure monitoring system, default, back. The idea behind that sub-menu is that you can essentially tailor-make this car to your own individual settings and taste. Great specification with this vehicle. Here, very easy to use climate control air conditioning. So we just dial in the temperature. So we want it at, I don't know, 18. Hit automatic, the light comes on. That's all you need to do, really. Dial in the temperature, hit auto, air conditioning's on as indicated by this light. It will direct the air and adjust the fan speed according to the internal temperature of the vehicle. However, there are people that wish to operate it as a manual system, me being one of them. So you probably, to come off automatic, you just turn the fan speed down and you can adjust the modes where you want the air to go, which is self-explanatory there. And you can obviously adjust the fan and the temperature. So it's either automatic or manual, but very simple, very good and effective system. Demist for the windscreen, heated rear window, reset button or taking air from the outside in, and underneath here you got USB plug-in, 12-volt power socketry, and a wonderful 6-speed manual gearbox, so smooth shifting between the gears, very directional, very easy to get into reverse as well. You got the reverse camera there, plus of course I would just point out you've also got parking sensor indication on your central display, front and rear. All-wheel drive, I said to you it's all grip. A lot of these come in two-wheel drive. This is an all-grip, all-wheel drive Boosterjet S. You've got the various settings there, and you've got DAB digital audio, radio, FM1, FM2, AM, DAB, etc. And we're currently on FM, classic FM. It's all touchscreen. 6 presets per waveband as well, and you can adjust it from here obviously instead of having to touch that. But when we're in this screen, in each of the screens there is that cog button on the bottom right hand side. This brings up the sub menu, so if you want to adjust things like sound settings, bass, treble, balance, fader, equalizer presets, speed dependent volume controls, a really great setting. That's adjust the sound level to compensate for any road or engine noise as you're traveling at speed. Home screen, again, satellite navigation with this car, really great system. Touchscreen, look, the map looks like this. Very simple to use system. You can put address in town or postcode. What I particularly like is points of interest nearby. So if you wanted to find banking, you wanted a teller machine, it tells you where the nearest banks are. Highlight that one, and the nav will assist you in getting there. Nav map, and again sub menu brings up route options, guidance and map settings, position and GPS info, geo coordinate format, lock keypad while driving, that sort of thing. Home screen, integrated Bluetooth with voice control. You just Bluetooth your phone to this. Again, it has a sub menu, display incoming text, use phone ringtone, etc. Home screen, smartphone linkage, where you just plug in your phone and it should bring up the icons on screen, such as Spotify, etc. But really good system. Camera, sorry about the view out the rear. A really nicely kept, well maintained vehicle. Despite it slightly up on the miles, it's excellent value for money, being an all grip, really well equipped 1.4 Boosterjet S all grip engine. A very, very spirited engine with excellent fuel economy. And just to go over, summarize some of the features: radar cruise, satellite navigation, front and rear parking sensors with central display there, reverse camera, DAB, integrated Bluetooth, smartphone linkage. It's got the lot. Air conditioning, climate control, half leather, half Alcantara, suede interior. It's an excellent value for money vehicle. Japanese technology and engineering. Suzuki engineering ensures absolute reliability. So there it is, 2017 on a 17 plate, 2-owner Vitara 1.4 actually, Boosterjet S ALLGRIP manual, finished in Galactic Grey, done 57,000 miles. If you want to find out more about this beautiful car, please go onto our website, which is www.twhiteandsons.co.uk. Thanks for watching.